Hello, this is video about the topic farm animals. With this farm animal, we have page 46. We have bird, bird, cat, cat, hen, rooster, rooster. Alright, now let's start. One, vocabulary. With the vocabulary, we have bird, bird, bee, I-R-D, bird. Another we have cat, cat, C-A-T, cat, cat. Number three we have either hen, hen, H-E-N, hen. Number four is rooster, rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. All right. Another we have the structure is what do you see? What do you see? I see a dog. I see a dog. I see a dog. All right, we can say goodbye for today. Goodbye.